Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. If you're getting P3400 and P3497 trouble codes, I'm going to tell you guys how to fix it. If you're getting these trouble codes, you're going to notice the following symptom. You're going to notice hard start, poor engine performance, poor gas mileage, and possibly an engine misfire. When you're getting P3400 trouble code, it means there's an issue on bank number 1. And when you're getting P3497, there's an issue on bank number 2. This is bank number 1, and this is bank number 2. So what triggered P3400 and P3497? The most common reason why you're getting those codes is going to be caused by low engine oil. So check your engine oil level, and if your engine oil is low, top it off with engine oil. If it doesn't fix the issue, maybe your engine oil is dirty. If it's dirty, go ahead and change your engine oil. The next common reason why you're getting those codes is because maybe your VVT solenoid is bad. So the VVT solenoid is located on the front passenger side. It's going to be located on this side over here. And when you have an issue with the VVT solenoid, it's going to cause a lot of issue. So this is the VVT solenoid location. Again, it's going to be located on the front passenger side of the engine. So that is the VVT solenoid. The next reason why you're getting those codes is because maybe you have a bad oil pressure sensor or switch. Again, if you're not sure where it is located, I'm going to show you guys a video. So the oil pressure switch or sensor is located on the rear end. It's going to be this sensor over here. If you're getting P3400 and P3497 and you're also getting oil pressure sensor switch or sensor codes, go ahead and change the sensor. Make sure to check the connection and make sure there's no oil on it, because that can also affect how the oil pressure sensor is going to work. If you change the oil pressure sensor or switch and you're still having engine performance issue, it is time to check the oil pressure by using an oil pressure gauge. You want to compare it to manufacturer specification. If your engine oil level is good and it is not dirty, and your oil pressure sensor or switch is good, and your VVT solenoid is good, it is possible that you might have a failing oil pump or a bad relief valve spring on the oil pump. If you drive a Honda, there is a TSB for a bad oil pump relief valve spring. If you're not sure how a relief valve spring looks like, it's going to look something like this. So this is not for a Honda, but again, this is just an example. Again, it's going to look something like this. If you change this part over here, if you change the spring, it might actually fix the issue. I hope you found this repair lesson informative. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.